everybody, it's Khristina from Redefine Creative, and I wanted to show you a really quick and fun little project going on the website today. So if you looked in the digital shop, there is a freebie that looks like this that has 4 3x4 pocket page scrapbooking cards, and they all have quotes on them. So throw kindness around like confetti, not all who wander are lost, trust the timing of your life, and home isn't a place, it's a feeling. So all I have done is cut out my 4 cards to begin with, and you're going to need some paper towel, some kind of spray bottle. It doesn't have to be this one. It can be just like any kind of bathroom or kitchen spray bottle, some Crayola washable markers, and a couple of plastic bags. So here is what we're going to do. We're going to create some really cool watercolor cards that you can use on your pages or in your pocket pages, on cards, anything you want. So let's start with this one, throw kindness around like confetti. And I'm going to take my plastic bag and my markers, and I'm just going to choose the colors I want. So let's go with these 3. And you can do as many as you want. The more marker colors that you pick, if you get a whole ton, they kind of get like a muddy look to them. So limiting yourself to like 2 or 3 is probably a great idea. But you can do as many as you like. And I'm just going to color directly on my plastic bag in kind of the right size for what my quote looks like on the card. So you can decide if you want your entire card to be covered or if you want just the quote to be in watercolor. It's totally up to you. So once you have that area kind of colored out on your plastic bag, you're going to take your spray bottle and get it nice and wet. So nice and wet. Those colors are going to kind of move around a little bit. It's all good. And then you're just going to take it and flip it upside down over the top of your quote. Rub it in just a little bit. Kind of move those colors around if you want. Now, I printed my cards just with regular cardstock, so that's why I'm going to get a little bit of that kind of bubbling. But you can put them underneath something heavy and it will take care of it. The other thing you can do is you can totally print these on watercolor paper, and that's going to kind of prevent that and make the colors a little more bold. But that's it. So let's do one more with some different colors. But that is seriously the only thing you have to do, and you kind of get this cool watercolor look. So I'm going to pick the colors that I want to use. Let's go with pinks this time, and we'll do Home Isn't a Place, It's a Feeling. Grab my plastic bag, and I'm just going to kind of color, make some scribbles. Got kind of a monochromatic. All right, spray with water. And then we're just going to flip it over. Work in some of those colors. And that's going to do it. So kind of really cool watercolor look, super easy without a lot of supplies. And the color doesn't run or anything like that. And you can create kind of any look you want with those cards and then throw them right into your pocket pages. Use them next to a photo on a scrapbook layout, put them on the front of a card, and it will look like you did some fancy watercoloring. All right, guys, make sure to grab that from the digital shop, and I would love to see what you make. Bye, everybody.